Yesterday, I asked a question about the judgment of a doctor if he commits a mistake unintentionally. I'm sorry, but I should have precised that I'm asking if he's accountable, if he did his level best, but he still did something wrong, whether because he was tired or because he forgot something or he was lacking of attention. There is a fault committed unintentionally. I just want to know if he can be punished or the judgment of this.
This is something that usually a designated panel of doctors or investigators would look into. Islamically, Allah says, رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا. Oh my Lord, do not hold us accountable if we were to forget or to make an error. Worldly affairs, if I was driving according to the speed limit and I am well aware of the road, I'm not sleepy, I'm not tired, my brakes are fine, and someone all of a sudden falls from the sky in front of my car and I kill him, or someone intentionally throws himself in front of my car, I had nothing to do with it, no mistakes, none whatsoever. Should I pay for the penalty of killing by mistake? The answer is no. Should I fast for 2 months? The answer is no. I didn't do anything by mistake. So you, when you treat someone and you make a mistake, if this mistake is due to your negligence, if it is due to your transgression by not abiding by the regulations, if it's due to your not knowing, due to your ignorance, you did not know what to do, but you jumped the gun. You took a decision without consulting someone who's more knowledgeable. You just said, teeny, miny, miny, mo. No, you are accountable for this. But if you did your level best, according to what you've studied, you followed the procedures, and something wrong happened, you're not accountable for that.